Today we're going to give you a little heads up and a quick tip on Windows 8's storage spaces. What storage spaces allow you to do is take multiple hard drives and run them into a RAID array or as a single storage space, making it easier for your files to be contributed or backed up and safeguarded. So we're going to show you how this works. It's actually very quick, very easy to get going. First thing you're going to want to do is open up the control panel. You can do that by right clicking in the bottom left corner. You want to go to storage spaces once you're in the control panel. Here you'll be able to create your storage space. Just click on the little icon there. Next you'll see a list of drives that are available for creating your data pool. In this case I have 2 notebook drives that are ready to go. No data on them. If you do have data on them, they will wipe the files off and erase it. Next you're going to choose the way you want to do it. You can give it a name, which I call it files. You're going to want to choose which type of array you want, whether you want it to be a single storage space or whether you're going to want it to be an RAID array where you have multiple copies of the files essentially. And as a version of here, I'm going to go with version option 1 here, which will be just one single file storage. You can also choose the size of the storage space as well. And just click the button on the bottom there to create your space, and you're good to go. Just takes a few minutes to format the drives and get it ready. Voila. And on this page now, when you go into storage spaces and control panel, it'll give you details on the health of your drives and your storage space. Next here, what I'm doing is actually taking my libraries, music, pictures, and so forth, and changing them from the default to where they all will be on that storage space. This way, all my personal files, music, pictures, videos, etc., documents, are all on that data pool and not using up the storage space on my main hard drive. This comes in really handy when you're using a solid state drive and you don't want to use up all that extra space you have, because you're usually with the solid state drive. In most cases you're going to be limited on storage. In this case I have a 90 gigabyte solid state drive, and with the data pool I just created I have just shy of 750 gigabytes. Not too shabby. As you can see, what I'm doing is going to properties on each one of the libraries. We're removing the existing libraries, and we click add, go to the storage space, create a folder with the same name, so music for music, etc., and select it. And you just click OK and you're all done with that. Quick and easy. You can also do the same thing with your downloads folder if you like. And you could even do it with your desktop as well. Desktop folder if you like, but usually you want to keep your desktop on the same drive as your OS. And that's a wrap. What do you guys think? Leave some comments below and let us know what you think. And don't forget to keep checking back at twoshotsofgeek.com for more news on Windows 8 gaming and more.